What's up, everyone? It's a late one tonight, so I'm going to try and keep this pretty short, but hope you guys are all doing well. Happy Thursday, soon to be Friday since it's almost midnight. But hope everyone's doing okay. So as you can probably tell by how bright it is down here, I finally have some power in the shop. Finally was able to get some lights on the wall, in addition to go ahead and get the power run to the outlets below the miter station. Also have an outlet back here that'll be for the bandsaw, and there's another drop that's coming down here, and that'll be for the tooling station. I was also able to go ahead and put the vacuum system on its own outlet. It's the little things that make me happy, and that is one of them. If you haven't had a chance to take a look at, the other day I did post a video on how to build your very own blast gates. If you haven't seen it, I'll try and post a link down to it in the description. It's working fantastic. I love it. I will admit, though, I did cheat for the smaller blast gates. Caught these on sale. They were like $3. Although I have to admit, I'm a little bit disappointed in the quality of them. They're just not very easy to pull open and close, and I have a feeling they're probably going to break. In addition, in order to use them, you have to get these little rubber couplings to make them work. It's kind of a pain in the neck, and I end up having to get 3 or 4 different sizes just to find out what works. But it's installed, it's functioning, and we'll see how long they last. I'll give you an update on those if anything does happen with them. But other than that, I think that's about it. Next project in here is going to be setting up the tooling station over here, in which case that'll be for all my drill presses and things along those lines. I'm going to go ahead and build that into the wall. That's why that power box is just kind of hanging here for the moment. It'll be built into the station. In addition, it'll have a vacuum drop that is going to come down from up there. So then after that, it's going to be the tables in the middle, and that'll house the table saw, the router, and also the spindle sander. So can't wait to show that to you guys as well, and I'll do full build videos as well on that. And I think that's about it. You guys have yourself a good evening, and if I don't get a chance to talk to you, have a great weekend. The other comment, so Baby 3 has not shown up yet. I know, my wife is definitely looking forward to that happening soon, but I'll also keep you guys updated on that as well, and hopefully next time we talk, I'll have a third little girl with us. So take care, have a good night, guys.